LJ here, bringing you today's adventure stop at the Santa Ana Zoo. The Santa Ana Zoo is a great place to go on a date or to bring the kiddos. There's ample parking as well as overflow parking, and you can do the whole zoo in about 2 hours. Today's adventure is for the birds. We're going to check out some of the birds here at the Santa Ana Zoo, and we're going to start with the aviary. Check out this bald eagle. It looks like he's making eye contact with you. One of my favorites here are the macaws. Check them out as they hang out on their perches.
Hi. What's your name?
After you spend a couple hours at the zoo, I highly recommend you pop over around the corner to a great place called Johnny's Burgers. They specialize in quarter-pound hamburgers as well as breakfast burritos and other items. Their hours are from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. 7 days a week. And yes, if strangely enough this looks like a Carl's Jr., it was once at one time. Johnny's is the place to go for cheap, delicious eats. For a giant breakfast burrito under $5, or in this case, 2 quarter-pound hamburgers and french fries for about $10, you can't go wrong. I'm LJ. Thanks again for popping into today's adventure stop. We'll see you next time, and be sure to subscribe.